Contact. Before I do that, I want to grease this seal so it doesn't catch and tear. This is clean grease over here that I pumped out to use on the S-cam roller, so don't freak out. Rub it in real good, like, I don't know, something you rub in really good. Oh, you know what? Skipped a step. Got excited again. So this thing goes behind the seal, and this little pin fits into a hole on the back side there, and that keeps it from turning. So this stays stationary to the backing plate like so, and then that stays up against the seal to help it hold tight and keep all the guts together. A little bit of bummer. There's that hole I was talking about. Oh yeah, so there's another O-ring in here. The grease is maybe too stiff. There we go. Good deal. So then the seal slides over this thing. The seal rides on this ridge right here. That's actually what it seals to. And then, well, on both sides actually. Keep the gear oil lubricant action inside. As I'm told from my new friend Dennis. See. All right, so I'm not actually going to finish it today because this is the cap that came off of it. The plastic on it's cracked, so if I wanted to, well, it still holds oil and it will do its job to an extent if I had to go somewhere or something like that, but I want to replace it with a new one like this, but I didn't pay attention when I bought them. I was more concerned about the bolt pattern. I didn't think about that this one is taller, which it wouldn't really hurt anything. It'd hold more oil, so that's good, I guess, but it's also going to stick out more. So I think I'm going to try and find these from another parts store or see if my Napa in town will order me the short ones. And then if that works, this is aluminum. It's just kind of like pop aluminum, crappy cast aluminum. I would like to possibly polish these up and get chrome bolt heads to go in there or paint the bolt heads black, something like that, because eventually I want to clean all of these drums off. Well, the hubs, I guess they are, the drums are behind there. Clean those up, repaint them. I think I'm going to go with black on those. The rims are going to be red, and then maybe black or red for the wedges. I don't know. We'll see. And then I've got chrome caps that are going to go over the nuts, so that'll look cool. Just to kind of church it up a little bit. So I'm not putting this on. I'm not going to fill it up with oil yet, because unless I have to move the truck, I'll throw one on and fill it up with oil. Got to get some out of the back. But I am going to check the slack adjuster. Again, I will say this with the caveat that I'm not an expert. A lot of people say just to tighten them until they're tight and then back them off. I don't know, when I was in the bus barn, we would always jack them up and basically do the same thing, but we would spin them so that they were just hanging up. So I'm good with that. They're just barely touching, so that'll wear in, and then you can always check them again after a little bit of drive action. So, minus gear oil, I got 5 gallons of 80/90 that's going to go in here when I get the right cap, and then it's done. So we got new shoes, new hardware kit with the shoes, one new bearing and race. The outer one was in good shape still. I don't know if it just didn't wear or if it got replaced prior. And then a new seal and seal kit for the inner bearing also. So we're in good shape. When my buddy Dennis was here, we took a look at the kingpins real quick. He said he didn't think that they were in bad shape, so that's good, because if we did change those, basically I got to pull all this stuff off again, double your pleasure, double your fun. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other side, so stay tuned. Next coming up, I'm gonna drop all the oil and differentials. Dennis wants to help me with that. He knows all about those rear diffs, where to fill them, where to check them. So I'll probably bring him over when I do that, and he can share some of his knowledge with you. Also gonna pressure test the charged air cooler, make sure it's not leaking. He said he's got the kit for that, so we can try that. And then I gotta do rear torque arm is about junk, and I want to do brakes on the front rear axle. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, stay American. Alright guys, so that pretty much finishes up the front brakes on the Mack. I hope I caught all the good stuff on the video. I'll wind it around for you in summary. I picked up brake shoes from, I think it was Fleet Pride on my way home from work one night last week from running the VIN number. Got those, they turned out to be wrong. So when I started pulling everything apart, I couldn't do that. I needed seals, and one of the bearings was shot, which I wasn't counting on. Luckily, I want to thank my buddy Dennis. He really came through, let me borrow some bearings and seals and the seal driver to put that stuff all back together. That was a big help. In addition to all the information he gave me, we'll probably have him on here sometime. He can share all his wisdom with you guys. So I got that, and then I ended up going to the Napa in my hometown. They carry a lot of heavy parts, but I didn't think they would have what I needed. They had the right brake shoes, so I was able to pick those up on Sunday. This is Monday, Memorial Day right now. I came out here early and got everything tied up while the wife and young man were still sleeping. That's it for now. I appreciate you guys watching. As always, if you've got comments, truck memories, suggestions, whatever, go ahead, drop them down below in the comments. If you like the videos, put the subscribe button on the channel, and then you'll be able to see every time new stuff comes out. I think that pretty much wraps it up. Thanks again to Dennis. Thanks all you guys for watching. And it's Memorial Day right now, so happy Memorial Day to everybody. Don't forget why we have the day off of work. Remember all those that are never made it home. So until next time, stay American, work hard, and buy American.